Are you aspiring to land a job at Google? To boost your chance of success, it's essential to know which programming language are preferred by this tech giant. In this video, we will explore the top 10 programming languages that can enhance your job prospects at Google. Google employs a variety of programming languages for various purposes, but we can customize and categorize them into two main groups: backend and front-end languages. Becoming proficient in these languages can not only increase your chances of getting hired by Google but also improve your performance once you are on the job. Let's dive into the top 10 programming languages that can open doors to a career at Google. Number 1 is JavaScript, often referred to as the language of the internet. JavaScript plays a crucial role in web development, including Google services like real-time search suggestions, Gmail, and Google Docs. Number 2 is TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript. TypeScript is used by Google for building robust web platforms, including Google Analytics and the Google Cloud Platform. Number 3 is C++. Known for its speed, C++ is used for efficiently ranking search results and powering key Google features like MapReduce and Bigtable. Number 4 is Java. Google relies on Java for backend networking and creating user-friendly interfaces thanks to its versatility. Number 5 is Python. This versatile language is ideal for data manipulation, management, and machine learning, making it indispensable at Google. Number 6 is Golang, which is called in short Go. Developed by Google, Go is designed to boost programming productivity while incorporating the strengths of other languages. Number 7 is PHP. Despite perceptions of declining popularity, Google and other web platforms still use PHP for backend operations, making it important to understand for managing Google's processes. Number 8 is Node.js. Known for powering scalable web applications, Node.js is crucial in Google's backend operations due to its single-threaded, non-blocking, event-driven server capabilities. Number 9 is SQL. Google manages vast amount of data, and SQL, the language of databases, is essential for data-related roles within the company. And number 10 is Carbon. As an experimental successor to C++, Carbon aims to ease the transition from existing C++ code bases to Rust, making it valuable for companies and projects relying heavily on C++. So, if you are aiming for a career at Google, mastering these programming languages can be significantly enhance your job prospects. Stay tuned to learn more about each of these languages and how they are used at Google. Subscribe at my channel if you like this video and share with your friends. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.